भी खूब मेहनत की। पैसा हमें कितनी जल्दी वापस मिल जाए ये सब सूचनालय चालक पर भी निर्भर करता है। अगर घर में जगह हो तो घर से भी दृष्टि सूचनालय की हम शुरुआत कर सकते हैं।
Like any other business, setting up a Drishti Suchnalay requires some investment. You may apply for a loan from any of the local banks. Drishti provides complete assistance for this. There is one low-cost option also available to you. You may even initiate with a mobile phone-based tele-sales center or TSC. This certainly reduces the service's bandwidth, but also gives the ease of operating and reduces investments to a large extent. There is one more way. If you wish, you may sell Drishti Suchnalay's subscription packages to collect some part of your investment. Many kiosk owners have sold even more than 100 subscriptions and made up for a major part of the required startup capital.
दृष्टि के मार्गदर्शकों ने हर कदम पर मेरा मार्गदर्शन किया। मुझे कभी नहीं लगा कि मैं अकेली हूँ। हर कदम पर दृष्टि मेरे साथ है। इस सहायता के लिए मैं संस्था को एक पूर्व निर्धारित वार्षिक शुल्क देती हूँ। आज निरंतर बढ़ती आमदनी और आत्मनिर्भरता है। आने वाले दिनों में मेरे बच्चों और परिवार के अन्य सदस्यों के लिए भी एक आमदनी का सुनिश्चित जरिया है। गांव के लोग मेरी सफलता की सराहना करते हैं, दूसरी औरतों को मेरी मिसाल देते हैं।
अगर हमारी बहू या हमारी बेटी कंप्यूटर सीख कर कुछ करना चाहती हैं, कुछ बढ़ना चाहती हैं, तो हम उनका साथ अवश्य देंगे।
मशीन की सिलाई, थोड़ी बहुत अपने वैसे कढ़ाई बुनाई, बस इतना हो सकता है। हम तो फिलहाल तो फैशन में हैं। हाँ भाई, फैशन में फिलहाल तो बिहार लाए, खेत सब काटेंगे, घेरेंगे, सानी करेंगे, दूध काटेंगे।
जैसा सुनते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा रहता है, सीखते हैं, बहुत से बाहर निकल जाते हैं जैसे गांव से पढ़ने लिखने के लिए, तो उनसे पता चलता है कि वो अपने आगे के लिए अच्छी नौकरी मिलती है, अच्छे काम मिलते हैं कंप्यूटर सीखने से।
सभी मुझसे बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि दृष्टि सूचनालय शुरू करके मैंने गांव को भी आधुनिक बनाने में सहायता की है। अच्छा लगता है।
The villagers now enjoy the availability of several facilities and services in their own village itself, for which they earlier had to go to the nearby cities. The youth and the kids of the village are learning computers right in their own village at the Drishti Suchnalay. Many of them are now also getting trained for various basic level BPO skills. They can even access information on admissions in the specialized institutes throughout the country. They are now getting detailed and current information regarding employment opportunities around villages. Now, there are far more opportunities for job and business than earlier. Drishti is not only coming up as a source of training, but also a provider of suitable self-employment options for them. Drishti Suchnalay has virtually linked the village with the entire world. Benefits of services like insurance, low-interest loans, etc. are also being sought through Drishti Suchnalay. Now it has become possible to consult the expert doctors based in the cities for their health issues, and it is now possible to get the facilities of regular health checkups and medicine supplies in the village kiosk itself. For artisans and skilled workers, Drishti Suchnalay is like a boon. They are getting the worth for their skilled work and no more depend on the traditionally placed middlemen. They are selling more, earning more, and not only this, they are being recognized world over as artists of their artwork and crafts. Drishti e-commerce team is also sensitizing them towards the emerging trends in the market. The online portal Drishti Heart has been able to implement an e-commerce value chain to enable these artisan groups, majorly women, to reach out to new markets to sell their creations. The arts and designs that were losing their significance otherwise are now being revived again. In some areas, where e-governance services are also available through the back-end support from the local government, people are getting benefits by getting their governmental work done over the internet, like obtaining a license, making an identity proof, or even paying bills. All this is possible in a village due to Drishti Suchnalaya. Today, the villagers, without wasting their precious time and money, can be sure that their complaints and demands reach directly to the right officials through Drishti Suchnalaya. Overall, it has been observed that by availing the services of Drishti Suchnalaya, a villager can approximately save about 8 times of his expenditure otherwise. Drishti is totally committed to bring all these services to you. Keeping in mind all these achievements, Drishti has been felicitated with various awards and recognitions from time to time. Some of them include Stockholm Challenge Award in the year 2000, the Best ICT Story Award in the year 2001 from Infodev, and the World Bank for real-life success stories of Drishti. In the year 2002, Digital Partners and Indo-American Trade Initiative presented Drishti with an investment award and recognized it as the best social enterprise. In 2003, World Bank's Development Marketplace Award for making services work for poor. In 2004, Ashoka Fellowship awarded to the Drishti founder Satyan Mishra by the international social organization Ashoka Foundation. In 2005, Drishti was among the 5 finalists of Best Social Enterprise Award given by the Schwab Foundation in the World Economic Summit. Recently, Drishti has been ranked amongst Asia's top 100 startup businesses and India's top 8 companies by international technology and financial publication Red Herring. Such felicitations provide one more reason to keep moving ahead, not only to the Drishti team but also to the owners of Drishti Suchnalaya. Many other publications like Bloomberg, Financial Express, Prabhat Khabar, The Times of India and DataQuest have been publishing articles on Drishti's thought and initiatives.
বৰ ভাল লাগিছে এইটো ভাবি যে মোৰ সূচনালয় আৰম্ভ কৰোতে ওচৰে পজৰে থকা 5-6খন গাঁৱৰ ল'ৰা আৰু ছোৱালীয়ে কম্পিউটাৰ ট্ৰেনিং ল'ব পাৰিছে, বিপিও ট্ৰেনিং ল'ব পাৰিছে আৰু বাকি চহৰৰ লগত খোজ মিলাই আগবাঢ়ি যোৱা হক ঘটাব পাৰিছে।
मेरे जीवन में अगर दृष्टि न आई होती तो क्या होता, सोचना भी मुश्किल लगता है। आज जो भी बन पाई हूँ दृष्टि की ताकत की वजह से ही बन पाई हूँ।
Where there is vision for future, there is Drishti. If you believe in yourself and want to come forward in life, we are always with you. Let's march together on the path of progress. Drishti opens the door of your success, your profit.
जब दिखलाई राह दृष्टि ने सारे काम हुए आसान। जब दिखलाई राह दृष्टि ने सारे काम हुए आसान। बार हमारी चल कर आए रोजगार शिक्षा